I'm going to be talking to you on how you can be able to mine Nodepay on Android. Okay, how you can be able to mine Nodepay on Android. I made a previous video on how you can be able to do it on PC, on laptop. If you're using a laptop, I'll put the link in the description for that previous video if you want to do them. Because for me, I am mining on both my PC as well as on my laptop. That's double mining for me. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, this is Nodepay, and this is their official account in which there is the app on Play Store as well as the app on mobile. But the twist that we are going to do here is for anyone who is starting out. Okay, anyone who is starting out, you actually have to use the browser specified for it. So you have to do some manual tweaks before you can be able to start even mining it on the mobile application. So the first thing that you're going to do is to get a browser on Play Store, and the ideal browser here on Play Store for you to be able to mine it is called Kiwi browser. Kiwi browser. Okay, this is the browser that you'll be using to be able to mine the Nodepay app on your Android. This is it. It's not Chrome. You don't use Chrome to do it. Okay, so you download Kiwi browser on Google Play Store, or if you're using Apple Store, you can be able to search for it on Apple Store and use it there. So this is the browser that you use to be able to download it. So after that, open the Kiwi browser. I'm going to put the link in the description that you are going to be able to click on. Then it will take you, open the link or copy the link and paste it on your Kiwi browser, and it will open for you. So if you don't have an account for before this time, this is how you are going to approach it. The first thing is that you have to input your email details here. Input your email details, okay? Input your username that you want, as well as inputting your password. Then you can confirm password. Then also the next thing will be the referral code, okay? This referral code, I'll put it in the description alongside, but if you click on the link, it will just take every single thing for you. Then after that, you press accept terms and condition, then verify that you are a human. Okay, then put the details. For me, I have already had an account, so I'll just go to the login section, which is here. I'll just go to the login section and log in into my account. Successfully logged into my account. Okay, I'm successfully logged in into my account. Then you can be able to see every single thing that you have. That's where you are mining and every single thing. So basically, I'm going to walk you through down the taskbar part, which is here. Every single thing that you need again for the taskbar, which is from your dashboard to referral program, missions and earn, medal boost, and more. Okay, and more. So the first thing that you should be able to do is to go to your dashboard. This is where you see every single thing. Okay, this is where you see every single thing. But the most important is your network connection. Okay, your network connection. This part is your network connection, which is the most important part, because you can't be able to mine Nodepay if you don't have a network connected. Okay, you can't be able to mine if you don't have a network connected. So what we do now is to download the network connection, the extension on our Kiwi browser. If you use Chrome, it won't work. So what I'll do is to open another tab and press Nodepay extension. Okay, Nodepay extension. Then I'll click on it on the Chrome Web Store. Every single thing that I'm doing will be here. So all I'll do here is to add to Chrome. Okay, add the extension to Nodepay. It will write this, then you press it. Okay, you press it, then it will load, and the ID will, every single thing will show up. Okay, it has now downloaded into my extension. I've downloaded every single thing I'm doing is on the Kiwi browser. Then on the extension mind you, is not this particular one which I've logged in. On the extension part, this is the one for the extension, is where I'm going to re-log in. You have to re-log in again. So okay, I've successfully re-logged in into the account, and as you can see it right here, it is now showing this. Okay, it is now showing that I have my network now connected on my Kiwi browser. Okay, it's now showing that I have my network now connected on my Kiwi browser. Mind you that there are two Nodepay. This is the other tab for Nodepay. You can see that the network connection is not here. I just logged in. So it's for if you sign up, that is what you have. But this one is the one that had the extension. That's the Chrome extension that I downloaded here on Play Store. As you can see it right here, it is writing remove from Chrome on top here. Okay, so remove from Chrome, that's what is writing here, as you can see it. So this is the most important one. When you get it on Chrome, on Play Store, on your Chrome browser, when you just type it, node extension, it will get it out for you and you'll be able to put it in your Chrome extension. So every single thing concerning the network connection has been done. So the next thing that you're going to do is to do your daily clean and every single thing concerning it. Okay, I'll just press done because I've gotten it. Then get this your referrals, then your medal boosts. Okay, your medal boosts. So you can be able to boost your earning rates. Okay, you can be able to boost your earning rates and it will just grow for you. Connect your details and do all your tasks. If you can be able to do these things, then you are eligible to get those medals and the likes. So okay, those are basically every single thing. The profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and join the Telegram channel, link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.